Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Appify. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to share Google Keep notes with others. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open up Google Keep app. Make sure you have already downloaded Google Keep app on your device. So for now we are here to share Google Keep notes with others. So now let me tap on my notes. So this is my note, tap on it. Here on bottom right corner you can see 3 dots, tap on it. Next tap on send. Here you will be seeing many options. When you tap on more, it will give you many social platforms where you can share your notes. Let's say I want to share my notes to my friends who are on Messenger, tap on it. Select your friends to whom you want to send your notes. Let me select this one and then tap on send. Now let me check my note is shared or not. So here you can see my note has been successfully shared to my friend. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.